Okay, we will do one more problem in star delta conversion. Okay, this is the question. Okay, just read it. Determine current drawn from supply using star delta conversion. So actually, in this question, we have to find out what is the current I. They have given voltage and also a resistor network. So if you consider this resistor network, none of the resistors are in series and none of the resistors are in parallel. You can't say that these two resistors are in parallel with this resistor because the connection there is a connection at the middle of this combination. Here also you can't say that these two resistors are parallel with the 6 ohm resistor because in the middle you have another connection. So this one you have to convert into star or delta depending on the connections given. Okay, now tell me which conversion we have to use in this used to solve this diagram. ഏത് കൺവേർഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Star delta conversion or delta star conversion? Okay, delta to star conversion we have to use. How many delta are there in this circuit diagram? Two delta. Okay, you can select any one of this delta to convert it from delta to star. Any one you can choose. Okay, so here I am choosing the bottom one, that is this delta. No reason for that actually, because even though there will be some the calculation may be simplified, because if there is some value difference is there, but if you see this diagram, this is 12 ohm and opposite delta also you have 12 ohm, this is 18 ohm, this is also 18 ohm. So you can select any one of this one, nothing will happen to your numeric or steps. So if I convert the bottom delta into star, the new diagram will be looks like this, because the top delta is there and then you have the new star connection will be drawn like this. Okay, that means the new connection, if I convert into star into delta into star, the new connection will be looks like this. So your result will be like this. So what you can do is you can take this as A, this is B, anything you can, any method you can use, but when you are writing ABC like this, here also you have to write in the same similar manner, ABC. So if you convert delta to star, you will be getting a diagram like this. Now, if you see this diagram, you can say that these two resistors are parallel and these two resistors are these two resistors are in series and these two resistors also in series. You can add both the value and the result will be parallel to each other. Then you can solve using equation of parallel. Then the resultant again it is series with the other resistor. Okay, again once again I explain you that if I get a diagram like this, immediately after converting delta to star, I will get a diagram like this. Okay, so after that do then I can solve this to value. I can solve this to value. Again, I will get a single resistor. That single resistor is series with the last resistor. So if I add, I will get the equivalent resistance, total equivalent resistor. So if I divide, the problem is not over. Okay, it is not the question to find out the equivalent resistor. It is the question to find out the current. Now you will be getting a final resistor here. There is a voltage source 10 volt. If you divide voltage source, if you divide a resistor with the voltage source with that resistance value, you will be getting the current. Okay, once again, what I am doing is I am going to select the uh, bottom delta circuit and I am converting it to star connection. So if I convert, I have to draw this 12 ohm resistor and 18 ohm resistor as it is. If I convert that delta, I will get a new star connection. That star connection looks like this. So now if you look, the new values I have to write here. So now this connection, if you look at this connection, in this, these two resistors are in series and these two resistors are in series. I can add both the resistor. So I will get a new diagram like this after simplification. If I add both the resistor because it is series, I'll get a new diagram like this. Then if I look into this diagram, these two resistors are parallel. I can again simplify that. Then I will get a single resistor. So the new diagram is like this now. Now if you look at that connection, you can find out that two resistors are in series. So I can add both the two resistors. So I will get a final single resistor. That single resistor value will be calculated and there is a voltage source of 10 volt. So if you divide this voltage source with that resistance, you will be getting the current value. So are you all clear with the concept? Yes. Okay. Uh, so which formula we have to use? We have to use this formula because we are converting from delta to star. Okay. So can you do this problem? Just first you convert delta to star and tell me what is the resistor value RA, RB, RC. Okay, for converting, what you have to do is you have to mark this as A, this as B, this as C. So the resistor RAB is this one. Resistor RBC is this one. Resistor RCA is this one. So RAB is 12 ohm, RBC is 6 ohm, RCA is 18 ohm. So formula for RA. What was that formula? Formula is RAC RAB divided by sum of all resistor. RAB plus RAC plus RBC. So now it is like RAC into RAB. RAC is 18 into RAB. AB is 12 divided by 18 plus 12 plus 6. Now it is 18. Do not multiply this. 18 into 12 divided by, here how much you will get? This is actually 18, 36 you will get. So 12 divided by 36 is 1 by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So RA is 6 ohm. Okay, correct. Anugrah, it is correct answer. Similarly, RB. We know that formula of RB is RAB, RBC. Okay, just check what is the value of RAB. It is 12. RBC is 6. Here, denominator is same. Okay, no need to change. It is 36 only. So again, I can divide this to 12 by 36. It is 3. 1 by 3. So 6 by 3. It is actually 2. Again, RAB, RC. How to calculate as RC? RAC into RBC. RAC is 18. RBC is again 6 divided by 36. So 18 by 36 is 1 by 2 and 6 by 2 is 3. So did you all get this value? 623. Yes. Fatima sisters, Kithiya. Sana, Safa. Okay, let us check whether whatever value got is correct or not. So they also got 6 ohm, 3 ohm, and 2. Okay, so according to this note, what they have done is they have converted the upper uh, delta connection. Okay, so what we did is we have converted the lower one. Okay, so we will do it separately. Okay, so what is RA is 6 ohm, B is 2 ohm, and C is 3 ohm. So now let me rewrite the diagram. The new diagram looks like this. Okay, so I am keeping the top resistor 12 ohm and 18 ohm as it is. Then here it should come C. Okay, so resistor which is connected to C is RC or R3. Resistor which is connected to B is R2. Resistor which is connected to A is RA. So I think it is 6 ohm. B is B എത്രയായിരുന്നു 3 ആണോ 2 ആണോ? How much we got? 2. Okay. C is, sorry, B is actually 3. C is actually 2 ohm. Remaining two resistors are 12 and 18. Okay. Okay, B is okay. B is 2 ohm. Okay, B is 2 ohm and C is 3 ohm. Now, what is the next step? I have to add these two resistors. Yes, I have to add these two resistors. Which are two resistor? This resistor and this resistor. And the new diagram will be like this. How to draw the new diagram? New diagram. 12 plus 3, it is how much? 15. And 18 plus 2, it is 20. Now 15 ohm and 20 ohm are in parallel. Along with that, I have a 6 ohm resistor in series. Okay. Now when these resistors are in parallel, 15 ohm and 20 ohm, okay, എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇത്രയും സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? എവരിവൺ എല്ലാവരും മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യും ഐക്കോൺ ആക്കിയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, അനുഗ്രഹ്, നിഖിൽ ദാസ്, പ്രണവ്, സാരംഗ് ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? അശ്വന്ത്, ഓക്കെ, സായന്ത്, അനശ്വർ.
കുറച്ച് കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് ആണ്.
കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് ആയി വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഏത് സ്റ്റെപ്പാ? സ്റ്റാർ ഡെൽറ്റ സ്റ്റാറിലേക്ക് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് മനസ്സിലായോ?
അത് മനസ്സിലായി.
ഓക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് ആ ഡയഗ്രാം വരച്ചത് മനസ്സിലായോ?
ഡയഗ്രാം വരക്കുമ്പോൾ പ്രശ്നം.
Okay. So I assume that, or I mark that this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. So after conversion, I got a new diagram like this. Okay. So see, a resistor between A and C is RAC. അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ RAC 18 ohm ആക്കി എടുത്തത്. Resistor between A and B is RAB. So നമ്മൾ RAB 12 ohm ആക്കി എടുത്തു. Resistor between C and B is RBC. So 6 ohm ആക്കി എടുത്തു. So after calculating or after converting delta into star, whatever resistance value I am getting is like this. So RC, C ലേക്കുള്ള resistor RC, B ലേക്കുള്ള resistor RB, A ലേക്കുള്ള resistor RA. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? സോ നൗ ബോട്ടം പാർട്ടിലുള്ള ഡെൽറ്റ ഒഴിവാക്കിയിട്ട് ഇപ്പം കണ്ട പോലെ സ്റ്റാർ അവിടെ വരക്കണം. സോ ഹൗ ടു ഡ്രോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ. സോ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ് ഐ എം കീപ്പിംഗ് upper delta as it is. Okay, so then what I am going to do is, this is your C terminal, this is your B terminal, below you have A terminal. So from C you are drawing a resistor RC, from B you are joining a resistor RB, so both are connected to a single point. From that point we are drawing RI. Okay, so your 18 ohm resistor is as it is, 12 ohm resistor is as it is, no change in that. Here you have to write RA resistor, we have found out R 6 ohm, RB is 2 ohm, RC is 3 ohm. അശ്വന്ത ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? അനശ്വർ ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലിയർ ആയോ?
മനസ്സിലായി.
Okay. Now what is next? Next you can see that in this diagram, this diagram, this 12 ohm and 3 ohm is in series. This 18 ohm and 2 ohm is in series. So we can add both the value. So when we are adding, again I am drawing the diagram. Okay, so I am adding 12 ohm and 13 ohm. That is actually 15 ohm, and then I am adding 18 ohm and 2 ohm. So it is 15 ohm and 20 ohm I am getting in series with the RI resistor. RI resistance നമ്മളൊന്നും ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല, അത് അവിടെ തന്നെയാണ്. ഈ ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഫാത്തിമ നദ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? Okay, now 15 ohm and 20 ohm are in parallel. So what I have to do is 1 by, or I can directly write R, is 15 into 20 divided by 15 plus 20, that is 35. Okay, so easily I can find out this. So if I divide this one 7, this divide 35 by 5, it is 7, here it is 4. So tell me what is the approximate value? 15 into 4, it is 60, I guess. 60 by 7. What is the value 60 by 7? $8.57. Okay, so the new resistor value you got after simplifying the parallel combination is 8.57. 8.57. And then also you have 6 ohm resistor in series with this resistor. Again, if you look at this diagram now, this 6 ohm and 8.57 is in series. So if you add, what you will get is 14.57. A power supply and 14.57. So now you can find out the current by dividing that. That is 10 divided by 14.57 is the current value. So how much you got? $0.68. Okay, total resistance what we got was 14.57. Now okay, if you divide that one with the 10 divided by 14.7 is, as he said, it is 0.68. So the current value is 0.68. So this is one important question in the semester exam. They will be asking for either 6 mark or 10 mark. Any one of this conversion will come, either star to delta or delta to star. Okay, we will do one more exercise. This is the third one. Exercise number 3. Find out the resistance between A and B. RAB. So tell me how to do that. This is somewhat different from the earlier. First you have to do some simplification. Then you have to convert star to delta or delta to star. So please answer. First step. What is the first step in this? What is the first step in this? Star to delta. Allah, Allah. Before converting star to delta, this one, if you look for any series or parallel combination, you can find out two series resistors in this diagram. So clearly look into this diagram, you can see that these two resistors are in series and these two resistors are in series. So first you can add both those value. Okay. So first I am going to add both this value. Then I am drawing the new diagram. So first a terminal is there. Then 1 ohm resistor. Then another 1 ohm resistor. Then 2 ohm resistor. So this is connected. And this is A. Then I have added both the value 0.15 plus 0.35, it is zero point 0.5. So this is 0.5 resistor, 0.5. And then bottom 1 ohm and 1 ohm I can add together, it is 2 ohm. This is 2, this is 1, this is 1. And this is B terminal. Okay, now tell me which conversion we have to use, star to delta or delta to star. Okay, delta to star. Or let me check it. If I convert this star to delta, I will get a new diagram like this. So these two are in parallel, these two are in parallel. Okay, you can try that also. Uh, Both the method is possible. Delta to star also you can convert. Star to delta also you can convert. Okay, try this now. Both the method you can try and tell me what is the answer. Okay, which method you are trying, delta to star or star to delta? Which method are you trying? Delta to star or star to delta? Okay. Okay, there is a small correction in that. If I convert delta star to delta, so since it is okay, let me try. It's actually like this. Whatever result I am getting, maybe like this. Okay, no issue. Can do that. Okay, what you do is okay, sixth hour is my assignment hour, so I am not coming online. What you do is I have submitted assignment 2 ആ സ്റ്റാർ ഡെൽറ്റ കൺവേർഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റിനും നമ്മൾ രാവിലെ തന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റിനും ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ബൈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയിട്ട് അത് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇന്ന് രാത്രി ആകുമ്പോഴേക്ക് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? സിക്സ്ത് അവർ എൻ്റെ അസൈൻമെന്റ് അവറാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റിനും ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത 2 ക്വസ്റ്റിനും കൂടി ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ബൈ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയിട്ട് നാളെ രാവിലെ ഒരു 9 മണിക്കുള്ളിൽ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ഇൻവേഴ്സ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്ലിയർ ആയില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ് എൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം.